anniversary day. Jollibee, thank you, Bella, for driving here in Michigan for 3 hours. Oh my God, for the Jollibee. Look at him. He loves Jollibee. Mga Pilipino ang mga employee diri tanan kay mga Pilipino. So, mo na mo anniversary date. Mora gyud akong request niya no, Jollibee. Siyempre wala sa homesick. Pa diba? Burger stick. Siyempre ang pineapple juice, mao yun akong favorite dire sa Jollibee. Their pineapple juice. Non-stop. Maura yun akong request niya basta anniversary na mo or birthday na po. Kaya medyo doon naman lang siya kay Michigan ra, so 2 hours and 30 minutes. So syempre mag-iihi man ni, so mukabat siya 3 hours. Huh?
The air conditioner is not good.
Maybe because it's the hot weather today.
That's what the air conditioner is for hot weather. You think an air conditioner is not gonna work if it's hot? That's what it's for.
Ang hap, ang sarap eh. Tilok ba? Dilo dyan na to usikan kaya biyahe patag 3 hours unya. Medyo mahal po, di ba? So sulit-sulit dyan ato yung tilok ko, no? Walay mahabiling nga munggo. Thank you, Lord, for the food. Thank you, my love, for driving.